Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to refresh your TradingView chart in 2026. So if you are interested in the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this 80% discount page in the description box below. So when you come here on tradingview.com, you need to first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Then you just have to open your chart in front of you, which is going to look something like this. Now, if you are facing any kind of problem here on your chart, you need to refresh your page. In order to refresh it, you need to click on this reload page on your web browser. When you hover over to it, you just have to click on it and it is going to refresh the page in front of you. So it is one of the simplest ways for you to refresh your TradingView chart. Don't worry, all of your indicators and all of your drawings will remain the same unless and until you click on the option of save on the top right hand corner of the screen. If you find any kind of problem while reloading, you can just simply come out of your TradingView in your web browser and then you can just simply launch it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.